What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for supporting the YouTube channel. Whoa, guys. Yeah, guys, we're back again. But we're not Murder Mystery 2, guys, cause we got so much money from all our videos. Whoa, guys, fuck. Yeah, guys, I'm hearing my brother say hi, brother.
Hello, I am back once again, and today we are gonna be exploring the club in Roblox.
Yeah, guys. Well, let's go, brother. Come on. Alright, let's go to the 5 Club. What the fuck? Whoa, brother, let's go into the spa. This reminds me of that time we were in the water park and the water slide, guys. Whoa. Holy shit, fuck. Brother, I'm so excited.
Oh yeah, Jake, I really love the spa!
Whoa, I'm gonna use my phone in the pool so I electrocute myself. Whoa, guys. Alright, brother, let's go up here. Fuck. Whoa, guys. Brother, this is so radical. Look at the view.
So radical, Jake.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, fuck! I fell up, brother.
Oh, Jake, should I get the ambulance?
My legs are broken. Let's have a drink, brother.
I don't fucking care anymore.
No, you don't. Alright, can I get a shot of vodka? Brother! Hello!
Sorry, Jake, I'll be with you in a minute.
Hello! I have money! Fucking money! I stole it from Wario!
Sorry, Jake, my shift is over.
You fucking retard! Alright, brother, my legs are really fucking sore, so I need a rest. Come on, brother, let's go. Alright, brother, let's go into room number 1. Alright, brother, I'm gonna fucking smash your face in. Connect 4, let's go.
We'll see about that.
You're gonna be totally fucking the-a-hole, brother.
Jake, I have a secret trick up my sleeve.
No, you don't.
Oh, we'll see about that, brother.
I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Bye, guys. This
Brother,
is the
no.
last video of the channel. Bye, guys.
No,
Bye.
brother, no.